Welcome to the Maruti Suzuki Smartplay dock tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to download the Suzuki Smartplay dock app and successfully connect your phone to the infotainment system using Bluetooth. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Search for the Suzuki Smartplay dock app and download it. Once the app is downloaded, log in with your vehicle credentials. Now it's time to pair your smartphone with the infotainment system. Next, turn on the Bluetooth of the infotainment system by short pressing the call button. Or you can also visit Menu, then scroll to Bluetooth and activate it. Once the Bluetooth on both your smartphone and the infotainment system is activated, we can start pairing. You will see a prompt when the phone is successfully connected. Now open the Suzuki Smartplay dock application on your phone. Next, fix your phone on the smartphone dock by pressing the release button and adjusting the arms. Ensure that the phone is fixed firmly. The setup and installation of Smartplay dock is now complete. Thank you for watching and drive safe.